Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid misplacing any screws or components. First, power off your Asus UX32E laptop completely and unplug it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical hazards during the battery replacement process. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the 6 Phillips screws located at the bottom of the laptop. Place these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back cover off, you can now see the internal components of your laptop, including the battery. Locate the battery, which is typically a rectangular component attached to the motherboard. You will find it secured by 2 additional Phillips screws. Carefully unscrew these screws and set them aside. If you notice any dust or debris inside the laptop, this is a good time to clean it using a can of compressed air. This can help improve airflow and cooling in the future. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Gently pull the connector straight out without twisting it to avoid damaging the pins. Now, you can carefully lift the old battery out of the laptop. If you find it difficult to remove, check for any additional screws that may be holding it in place. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connector and gently push it into place. Secure it with the same 2 Phillips screws you previously removed. After the battery is secured, reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. Now, before reattaching the back cover, it's a good practice to power on the laptop to check if the new battery is recognized. If everything looks good, power it down again and proceed with the next step. Carefully place the back cover back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Secure it by reinserting the 6 Phillips screws you removed earlier. As a reminder, if you don't have the tools necessary for this job or prefer not to handle it yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, along with pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can avoid the hassle of calls or travel, and you'll receive a quote before any repair. Finally, turn your laptop back on and check the battery status in the settings to confirm that it is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. With your new battery installed, your Asus UX32E laptop should now run more efficiently, giving you the performance you need. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.